my channel. Today we'll be playing Don't Press the Button 4. So this is not a really popular game. This game was huge, and I'm not playing with this type of graphics. I don't like graphics. I like regular graphics. Anyways, a storm. Okay, so we need to go towards the wind. So this is a game that's just filled with random stuff. And yeah. So who's gonna press the button next? I'm gonna survive. Survive? What do you mean? But oh my God, it's moving, it's moving. Oh, I died. I thought I was gonna really survive that, but I didn't. And look at my boom. So yeah. Is anyone dead yet, bro? Like dead? Like yet? Oh, that guy's frozen. I think my internet is bad. My internet is. I'm just gonna pause this real quick. I'm rejoining. Okay, so I guess I died already. I don't know. Okay, I rejoined. Okay, I'm back here. And also, guys, please subscribe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That will be very appreciated by me. And my goal is right now 500k 500 subscribers right now, and I would love to reach that goal like right today, not today, like next week. As I make really good videos. Like I make good videos. And also don't mind that. And also today's video is sponsored by RTX Gaming. You wonder, why am I sponsoring myself? You can sponsor yourself, you know. So today's sponsor is RTX Gaming. Just don't mind the background noises. Yeah, so I sponsored myself. Just don't mind that. I'll in the way and get to the water. Where's the water? Oh. Okay. Anyways. Not fair, man. I'm gonna be the next button presser, guys. I clicked it. You have 8 seconds to find a building with light. Where's light? Where's light? Okay. Oh, you die? Lights. Okay, so I found lights. I found lights and I'm alive. Because I am the winner! Let's go, Rashford. Rashford, why was I talking about Rashford? Like, do I don't remember. It's just seaweed. Don't know also say seaweed for. I just said seaweed. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying seaweed. Yeah, when is this level gonna end? Because it's really boring. Okay, I'm gonna die. But it's so boring, not gonna lie. Finally, I was the button presser. Oh. So, guys, trust me. I was gonna do a technique. Let's see. 3 doors in one, huh? Not blue. One of us. It is red. Which one is 4 doors? It is not red. It's green. Okay, 2 people can only go in here. Who's gonna sacrifice? She got lucky. Please, 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 please. Please. Cries in multi. Oh. She somehow won. I don't know how. Slide. Okay. I guess I'll slide down. Whee! Fast. Fast. Whee! And you die. So what's the point of sliding down? Someone press the red button there. And also, if you want to check this game out in Roblox, it's called Don't Press the Button 4. And I paid like so much money for this thing. So let's use this. Reach the button. Jump. You jump really slowly, so this level is not impossible. So you can just jump. I can just stay in the middle and survive, except for the lasers. I bet in this angle I can survive. I bet this angle I can survive the entire fall. That was way too close. Okay. Yeah, that was not right. I didn't get in the correct angle. I was gonna die, but hey, there's some flowers that you can't pick up. What can I buy? I wasted my money on that cloud. Can I refund? Can I get a refund on that cloud? Unequipped. They don't give you back your clouds, but and now get a free con. Stay close to the light. Stay close. I'm in. Oh, it's moving. For you. Stop moving to the rocks. No. I was in the light, but okay, I guess. For you. Hiya. There's a bomb. Run. Oh my god. Glitches. I hate glitches. If you want me, guys, if you want me to play guys, so there's a game called Don't. There is no game. If you want me to download that game and play it, the full version, not the free one. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll play that game. If it doesn't, in the next hour, I will not. Okay, I'm gonna start now saying not that many times. Play that game, Gene. Run. Imagine the timeline falls. Ooh, yeah, oh, I'm not gonna win. I won. You should look at the remaining. Score goal to earn a coins. Back in my days, I used to play football. And I still do. I need to get us throwing. No! How did they shoot? You wanna bang this gun. Have a gun. Ha ha ha. Oh ho ho. Ho ho. Wait, why are we only on coin? Why walk so slow? This is a goalkeeper. No, you're not the best goalkeeper in Ohio yet. No one scored a goal. Yeah. Okay, get to the correct color. Green. I'm green. I'm turquoise. I'm red. Dabba dee dabba doo. I can safe. So 2 more rounds and the game will be over. Frick. Run. You stole all the grid. No, you know I'm hiding in here. And I got e-blooped. I got scammed. Anyways, thanks for watching. I don't want to play. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.